Breaking news. The European Union has committed to immediately transfer used combat aircraft from its members to Ukraine. To allow hot transfer, ready to use without need to training and familiarization, aircraft to be transferred would be models that are already in service with the Ukrainian Air Force, so this would involve Russian Soviet models. Several EU members that are formerly from the Warsaw Pact or Soviet states are still using Soviet-Russian aircraft or have stored, including Poland, Bulgaria, Hungary, Romania, and Slovakia. According to reports, the transfer can happen in days, if not hours from now. The Ukrainian Air Force operates the MiG-29 Fulcrum and Su-27 flanker fighters, Su-25 Frogfoot attack aircraft. These aircraft models would be the most reasonable types that could be transferred to Ukraine, although it is highly expected that MiG-29s from Poland, Bulgaria and Slovakia are the most likely to be provided. Thank you for watching. For more update, don't forget to like and subscribe.